Watch how Rohan seamlessly scopes his construction project using the power of QuoteX. In the Scope Size Effort module, he defines the first phase, excavation and foundation, adding key details like description and assumptions. He then enters labor, materials, and machinery, ensuring precise project estimation. He enters labor, including baildars for manual work, mistris for supervision and masonry, and helpers for tool and material assistance, followed by materials such as cement, sand, and gravel, and machinery like an excavator and a concrete mixer to ensure precise project estimation. Rohan moves to the next phase, structural work, defining the scope as erecting columns and walls using steel reinforcements and bricks to form the building's core structure. He quickly inputs labor, materials, and machinery, ensuring accurate estimation for mistris, helpers, TMT bars, bricks, cement, and a crane for heavy lifting. Rohan progresses to the wiring, plumbing, and roofing phase, defining the scope as installing electrical wiring, water piping, and roofing with GI sheets to ensure a functional and secure structure. He efficiently inputs labor, materials, and machinery, covering electricians, plumbers, baildars, wiring, PVC pipes, and roofing sheets for accurate project estimation. Rohan moves to the finishing and painting phase, defining the scope as wall plastering, painting, and installing doors and windows to complete the project's final look. He quickly inputs labor, materials, and equipment, ensuring precise estimation for painters, mistris, helpers, paint, doors, windows, and plaster of Paris. Rohan adds a 25% overhead cost to each scope for accurate financial planning and then moves on to building the project timeline using the Smart Timeline Builder, effortlessly mapping out the rates from pricing engine with key milestones and deadlines. With the timeline now ready, Rohan applies a 3% fee for administrative expenses and presents the final project estimate to the customer, showcasing it in a clear and organized timeline view for easy understanding and approval. Thank you for watching.